Is it your opinion that the Fed phase once again in December? First question. And will the market get to a place where simply pushing out the date on rate hikes is no longer enough and stocks go down anyway? It seems like Europe may be making that pivot after selling off on Draghi's latest QE comments.
Yeah, Europe, like I said, is a little tougher right in here because, of course, there's tragedy and there's super headline risk. I mean, any hour anything can happen. I mean, they're evacuating a stadium in Germany into the U.S. market closed yesterday. This morning, I believe in Saint Denis, they've had multiple raids and taking out some of these whack jobs. So that you got that to deal with. But that notwithstanding, I wouldn't say that what's happened in France is a tailwind to the European economy. I think that if nothing had changed, we would have said that Europe's slowing anyway. So you got Europe slowing, Draghi signaling, hey, yeah, Hedgeye's right, we're slowing, so we got to do more. And European markets didn't like that. They went down on it. So I do agree with the question. As soon as the Fed pivots to our view, they're going to have to start to explain why the U.S. economy is slowing. I imagine they're going to blame China and France. They're not going to blame themselves. They're not going to blame this whole concept of U.S. retailers imploding despite low gas prices. They're not going to talk about their effect on rent, which is 25% of the median household income spending budget. They're not going to talk about anything that would point the finger towards them. So again, this is where we're at. I think it's going to be very confusing, and I have no idea what they're going to do. How would I have any idea what they're going to do when one of the Fed's voters just said, I'm not going to predict the outcome? I mean, if this guy doesn't know, I don't know. I mean, he's the guy who's got to make the decision.
Mm-hmm. Indeed.
And they don't give a damn what I think either.
Totally.
Although I have heard that they are following our cartoons.
The Fed?
I saw that the San Francisco Fed started following us the other day.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
And I'm waiting for the San Francisco Fed to pay the $39.95 a month to watch this show. You think that the country deserves a little bit of their tax dollars to pay for some bit of a reality check?
Yeah, a little bit.
No. Let's go back to reading the Bank of America report.